Let's get you more breaking updates coming in. Amid the buzz over AIADMK BJP patch-up, the Tamil Nadu BJP president has left for Delhi. Annamalai will be meeting Amit Shah. Varshini continues to stay live with us. Varshini, initially Annamalai was said to be against an alliance with the AIADMK. Things clearly did not work out too well for the BJP in Tamil Nadu, after which the buzz has been created again after Edappadi Palaniswamy met the Home Minister Amit Shah. Now Annamalai headed to Delhi. What's expected?
Well, absolutely, yes. Only a couple of days ago, we saw the AIADMK's General Secretary and other top leaders who travelled to Delhi to meet Home Minister Amit Shah. And though it was stated that this meeting was completely about the state of affairs in Tamil Nadu and how the Home Ministry has to intervene in this matter to ensure there is peace in the state of Tamil Nadu and funds are being received. But also, on the other hand, speculations about a possible alliance, possible grand alliance for the 2026 Assembly elections is what was majorly discussed, is what sources have been telling us. And at this juncture, today morning at around 6:30 a.m., the BJP state president Annamalai took a flight unplanned, and it is also being stated that he was called upon by the Home Minister, and he will be meeting the BJP top leadership to discuss regarding this alliance. What we are given to understand at this point is that since the alliance is more or less looking like it is fixed, the BJP state president has to come up with ways to reconcile the differences that he and the leadership of AIADMK has. Because remember, in 2023, when the AIADMK walked out of the NDA alliance, they stated that it was purely because of the state leadership. They were unhappy with the BJP state leader Annamalai and the comments he was making, disrespecting their former leaders. Therefore, they cannot work with them, is what they had stated, and it was not anything else that the reason for the split up was. So now it all lies in the hands of Annamalai to bring back AIADMK in good books so that they can form this alliance for 2026, which sole purpose for this alliance is to defeat the DMK. So we'll have to wait and see what is going to happen, who Annamalai is meeting today, to understand more about the alliance that is likely to get formed very soon.
Okay, all right. Varshini, thank you for joining us with those details. With that, we're shifting our attention now to breaking